Imagine having a WhatsApp chatbot ready to engage with your customers in just under 5 minutes. First, log into ChatMaxima with your credentials and navigate to the Quick Access section. You'll find the Bots section. Click Create Chatbot to start building a new bot. Then choose Create from Existing Templates from the 3 available options. Here, you'll find a variety of ready-to-use chatbot templates. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Next, customize the chatbot however you like using the easy drag-and-drop mechanism. Once you're happy with your design, name the chatbot so it's easy to identify later. Save the chatbot by clicking Save Changes, and then click Save and Publish to make it live. You'll see a success message confirming that your chatbot has been successfully published. Now, let's connect the chatbot to WhatsApp. Go back to Quick Access, and under the Channel section, click on WhatsApp. If you don't see WhatsApp listed, click Add WhatsApp and follow the steps to integrate your WhatsApp account with ChatMaxima. Once WhatsApp is set up, you'll see a bot icon in the Action section. Click on it to integrate the chatbot with WhatsApp. In the Search Bot field, type the name of the chatbot you just created. When it appears, simply click on it to link it with WhatsApp. You'll receive a message confirming the integration was successful. Finally, click on the ChatMaxima logo to navigate back to the dashboard. From there, head over to Conversations to access your inbox. Now, if anyone sends you a message on WhatsApp, your chatbot will automatically reply. You can monitor all conversations right here. And that's it! You've successfully created and connected your WhatsApp chatbot with ChatMaxima in just a few minutes. Happy chatting!